This is a Dell desktop. And these are the front USB ports. And this is a USB drive. Bootable Windows 11 installer. On Dell desktops there are two methods of booting from a flash drive. Method 1. Power on. Press F2 repeatedly on the keyboard. Press F2 repeatedly until you complete the BIOS access. Move to the right to the item named Boot. In the Boot section, move down to the item named First Boot Device. Here you set the computer to boot from the first USB drive. This is my USB drive. I select it. Next you move to the item named Exit. You save the changes and exit. Yes. Enter. Wait for the result. Dell computer starts booting from the USB drive. Dell computer boots from the bootable Windows 11 installer. Method 2. Simpler than Method 1. Power on. On the keyboard press F12 repeatedly. Press F12 repeatedly until you complete the boot menu. Complete the boot menu. Here you just select your USB drive and press Enter. This is my bootable Windows 11 installer. Select it and press Enter. Here are two methods to boot your Dell computer from a USB drive. Thanks for watching. Good luck.